Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wished you could manage your Clash of Clans village on a big screen? It's totally possible, and it offers a much better experience than playing on your phone. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get Clash of Clans running smoothly on your laptop this year. You'll see how easy it is to enjoy the game with improved graphics and controls, making your Clash of Clans experience even better. Since Clash of Clans is a mobile-first game, you'll need a special tool to play it on your laptop. That's where Android emulators come in. These programs essentially mimic an Android phone or tablet right on your computer, allowing you to install and run mobile apps just as if they were native desktop applications. It's the key to bringing your favorite mobile games to the big screen. There are several great Android emulators available, but a few stand out for gaming. BlueStacks is often recommended because it's user-friendly and very stable. LD Player is another excellent option, especially if you're looking for something more lightweight that still performs well. Consider your laptop's power when making your choice. A stronger machine will handle more demanding emulators easily. Getting set up is quite straightforward. First, download your chosen emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, run the installer just like any other program on your computer. After the emulator launches, simply sign in with your Google account. Then, head to the Google Play Store within the emulator to download and install Clash of Clans. You'll be playing in no time. To truly enhance your experience, customize the emulator settings. Adjust resolution and frame rates for optimal graphics and smooth gameplay. Also, map keyboard keys to touch controls for more precise troop deployment and spell casting. Some emulators even let you run multiple game instances. This is perfect if you manage more than one Clash of Clans account. Enjoy building your empire on the big screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.